Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a few camera tips and tricks for the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. So first of all, we are going to start from the volume buttons and take a look. When you click on the volume up, you can simply zoom in. So let's click and hold it and take a look how smoothly we can actually zoom in. And with the volume down, we can actually zoom out. When you find this button and you click on it once, you can take the photos. You can try to click and hold it, but as you can see, currently the burst shot is not working. So let's try if it works with this button. No, it doesn't work. So to take the burst shot, just go right here, and we can pick, for example, this option and take a look right now. So we can take hundreds of the photos in very short time, thanks to this option or just right here. You can also pick the HDR, for example. That's also a little bit slower option. And in this one we can actually take the 60 photos. And we have to wait a little bit until the phone saves all of these photos. Okay, it actually takes a lot of time, but we have to just wait until it turned off, and we'll be able to use this camera one more time. Okay, so let's simply get rid of this continuous showing, and another tip will be about shutter delay. As you can see right here, we can pick between 3 or 10 seconds. Let's turn off all of these options and let's move to the single shuttering mode. When you are right here, we can also click on this icon where we can adjust the color and the temperature by using this slider. To reset, click right here, and also the brightness level. Next, we can also switch the aspect ratio, as you can see. So there we go, but always it's the best to stay with the 4:3. Then we can find the maximum megapixel of the photos, 12 megapixel. Next, we can simply click on the menu, and when you open this option, as you can see, we can find other adjustment. For example, we can enable the grid lines. There we go. We can also switch function of the volume buttons. So I just show you that we can zoom in or zoom out, but we can also take just normal photos, so treat them like the shutter. We can also let's scroll down. Right here we can also pair some Bluetooth remote controls. So that's very useful if you have one. So that's the place where you can do this. And I guess that's all from the settings. And if you want to get more control of your photos, that's definitely this crazy manual mode where you can basically adjust everything. Take a look. That's crazy amount of the options that we can adjust. So yeah, that's how it looks. And that's all, basically that's all camera tips and tricks for this device, for the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. Hope you like it.